Alright, y'all, it's Spooktober week 2 / Hallelujah Fest baptismal. This week is given very much the greenery outside of the church. A little, I don't know, an orange choir robe, a little dash of that. It's given very much, what is it giving? It's giving that one lady in the church who always wear color eyeshadow and a popping lip. That's her. So if you guys are interested in this week's Spooktober look, please keep on watching. Oh, and before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what y'all want to see next week. I love y'all so very much, and let's get into the video. We are back with another voiceover. Today I'm taking the Makeup by Mario palette. This is the neutrals, and y'all, that brown shade is to die for. Like, it is so beautiful. I took a bigger brush than I normally do. This is what I use for highlight sometimes, but I wanted to use this to just diffuse that brown shade all over my lid and up above the crease. Now I'm taking this Kaleidos palette in that very last green, army green shade, and I'm taking this to blend it into my crease. And I did not prime my eyes or anything. I probably should have for a better payoff, but I just went in and I packed that on with a small fluffy eyeshadow brush. I decided to wing it out on the ends because I am going for a wing look. And now I'm going in with another Kaleidos palette with just a little bit of a lighter army green shade or olive green shade, and I'm packing this into the crease and onto my lid. Lastly, I'm taking this hunter green shade from this is the original Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I'm just smoking out the eye and just using a smaller eyeshadow brush to do so, and just winging it out. Next, I'm taking my Makeup by Mario. This is one of their eyeliner pencils. I really loved how easily this applied the eyeliner to my eye. It was very easy to get a nice sharp wing. I wound up blurring this out with some black eyeshadow from my Kaleidos palette, just because when I did my other eye off camera, I decided to do like an orange wing. So to smoking up the bottom lash line or the waterline, I used this Makeup by Mario pencil, and then I'm going in with those green shades under the eye. And I also took this orange shade from my Nikki Tutorials palette with Beauty Bay, and now I'm dusting off that extra powder. Now I will say towards the end of the video my face will look just a little bit ashy, honey, because that powder been sitting on my face for a minute because I tried to record 2 videos in one, so bear with me. It all blended for real. So now I'm taking my other Makeup by Mario palette, and this is the one where they have the mixing medium that you can mix with the eyeshadow. Now I hurt my feelings, honey, to break that eyeshadow palette, or not break it, but dip into the pan like that to mix it with the mixing medium. But I said I was gonna try it for y'all, so here I am adding my little candy corn accents to my mush peas. So y'all asked on Instagram, y'all said olive green, hunter green, and orange, so this is why this week's look is looking like this. Now these lashes are from Velour Beauty, and this is their new magnetic lashes. Now maybe I couldn't see, well, I did not have my contacts in, so let me preface, so I couldn't see that well, and the eyelashes looked like they was on good, honey, but y'all see in the outro where the corners was sticking out, and every time I bat my eyes down, you'll see where the corners weren't connected to the lash glue. So I would just say, if you're trying out magnetic lashes, to make sure you put enough of that liner magnetic glue to make sure it sticks on the inner and outer corners. Next, I'm taking this little trio mascara from Kaja Beauty. This is Clean Beauty, and I actually like this layering technique. I feel like it really voluminized my lower lashes, baby. And then I'm taking my Tarte Stay Spray, Shape Tape Stay Spray. Great day. This is what I use, honey. It's in the description box. And then after that, I use my Fenty Diamond Balm and my Juvia's Place highlighter. Y'all already know the glow is on 10. And then I use my KKW Nude 3. I love this lip liner, like chef's kiss, baby. You did that, Kim K. You did that, okay? Kylie got some good lip liners too, I'm not gonna lie. Like, they so smooth. Then I use Freckle Fiesta, the Mademoiselle from Fenty. And then I was like, you know, this a little bright. Maybe we should, you know, do a little extra something. So what I decided to do is take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream, and this is in the shade Honey Waffles, and this just took it up a notch for me, and I really liked it. So this is the finished look. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. I had a lot of people saying hunter green, olive green, dark green, and then I had some other people saying orange, so I just mixed the two, and we got our hunter green smoky eye with a little gold, or not gold, the orange wing and a orange lip. We used a lot of Makeup by Mario. So far so good. I think it looks amazing. I used a plethora of different eyeshadows, 2 palettes of which coming from Kaleidos, which I think is a very good brand for eyeshadows, for lippies, for highlighters, popping. Juvia's Place highlighter, y'all already know what it is when it comes to that. And then the lips is a combination of my KKW in Nude 3, as well as Freckle Fiesta Mademoiselle from Fenty Beauty, and the Gloss Bomb Cream in Honey Waffles. Last but not least, I put on these magnetic lashes from Velour Beauty. Now, I'm not sure how they wear when the wind blowing, and if you outside or you on a motorcycle or on a roller coaster. I'm not sure how they wear, and I'm pretty sure if you get in water, they might just drop out. I'm not sure because they magnetic, but they were very easy to apply, so I definitely recommend for people who struggle with applying lashes. You just apply the lash magnetic glue like eyeliner, and so just do a little strip like I did, and then the lash, you know, is pretty, it ain't just snapping off by me touching it, so it's pretty secure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's giving oh, it's giving an offering pot, honey. Money green, period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love y'all so very much, and without further ado, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, turn on your post notifications, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tifo. Bye guys. Hit me when I'm wanting it down.